Welcome to our channel. In the previous session, we have discussed what is type conversion, what are different types of type conversions. In that, the first one is conversion from a basic data type into a user defined data type. What do you mean by basic data type? Basic data type is simply a primitive data type, that is integer, float, character, etc. Convert this basic data type into user defined data type, that is of type class. Okay, assume this basic data type is a lower type and user defined data type is a higher type. To convert from lower data type into higher data type, no cast operation is required. No typecasting is required. Then what to do? To convert from basic data type into user defined data type, we have to define a conversion constructor. We have to define a conversion constructor in the program. So what do you mean by conversion constructor? Conversion constructor is simply a constructor which takes only one argument. That argument is of type basic, and that argument is of type basic. Okay. So what is the syntax? The syntax is simply class name, within the class some data members, along with we have to write class name of basic data type. Okay, because the constructor name and class name are same, it has only one argument and that argument is of type basic, that is either integer, float, etc. Okay, in this way we have defined a conversion constructor. Now consider an example how to convert a basic data type into user defined data type. Class sample int, suppose hours, minutes. I am taking two variables, hours and minutes. In the public section, first take a default constructor. This is completely our wish. The consideration of default constructor is completely our wish. Hours is equal to 0, minutes is equal to 0. Now create a conversion constructor. This conversion constructor name is the name of the class sample. Only one argument. For example, the argument is some t. Then in the constructor I am assigning the value. Suppose I am using some values. Hours is equal to t by 60. Minutes is equal to t into 60, or suppose t mod 60. This is a completely our wish. So my program is simply read the values and then print the values. So I am initialize the values by using default constructor, and for conversion from basic to user, I am creating this function, and simply one display function void display cout hour minutes. Close the class. Now int main, in the main create an object sample s. Suppose create a variable some x is equal to 100. Create a variable x with a value of 100. Now this constructor is called automatically when s is equal to x. If you write the statement s is equal to x, that means x is a basic data type. The basic data type is converted into a user defined data type. Again, the basic data type is converted into user defined data type. Okay, now what is the value of x? The x value is 100. Whenever you are writing the statement, automatically this conversion constructor is called, and based on the value 100, hours and minutes are changed. And if you write the statement like this, s dot display, so s dot display, what is the value? Hours is equal to 100 by 60, that is 1 hour 40 minutes. Suppose 1 hour 40 minutes. This is the way to convert from user defined to, conversion from basic data type into user defined data type. Simply consider a basic data type and a user defined data type. Right side is basic and left side is user. Basic and user. Okay. In the next session, we will move to how to convert a user defined data type into basic data type. For this, almost same hours minutes example.